The processing of citrus starts with the truck arriving at the unloading ramp and discharging out the fruits into the pool. The fruits, transported in the pool with the help of water and transferred to the roller conveyor machine. After that, rotten fruits, leaves, branches, and foreign objects are separated and selected with help of roller conveyor machine. Then fruits are transferred to the selecting conveyor for a final check. The inspected and selected fruits before moving to the rasping stage are being cleaned by pressurized water in the brushing machine. The fruits arriving at the rasping machine pass through the rasping cylinders with pressurized water, allowing essential aromatic oils in the fruit peel to dissipate, preventing the unwanted bitterness of the peel from transferring to the fruit juice. The conveying system in the machine provides the desired level of rasping and transfers the fruits back to the brushing machine. The fruits, cleaned for the last time in the brushing machine, are ready for the squeezing process. The squeezing machine cuts the fruit in half with a special blade in the middle of cylinders and squeezes the fruit with the help of the sieve system by pressing. The flexible and adjustable sieve system ensures squeezing without damaging the fruit peel, preventing the unwanted bitterness from transferring to the fruit juice. While the fruit waste is transferred to the waste pool with help of modular belt, the fruit juice is transferred to the balance tank and then to the finisher machine. The finisher reduces the pulp ratio from 25% to 8% by centrifugation and pressing with the rotating cylinders inside the sieve and transfers the fruit juice to the tubular cooler for the cooling process. The countercurrent body tubular cooler colliding the cooling liquid and the fruit juice for reduce from plus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 4 degrees Celsius, making the fresh fruit juice ready for filling. For more detailed information, please contact us. Tasargem.com